Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my Pandora charm videos. I hope you're having a wonderful day and are doing well. For this video, I'm really excited because my order came in from Pandora. So this is an online order that I did, first time ever doing online order. And I wasn't sure what it was going to be like and the experience, and then plus add on a sale on top of that Pandora hardly ever does. It was pretty cool and exciting. Needless to say though, I was a little sad because about 3 days after I had placed my order, everything was, set up, it was good to go. I got an email from them saying that they weren't able to actually send me specific items and they had to take them off my order. So about 3 items that I had thought I was getting, I wasn't able to get, which is okay. Those things happen. Technology has its glitches. I'm okay with that. That did prompt me to go to a shop-in-shop nearby to see what they might have left. They didn't have any of the pieces. Well, actually, they had one of the pieces I was really hoping to get, which was the little Angel of Hope, the little petite girl for my floating locket. But the other ones, they didn't. However, they did have a couple items like the clips. I don't know if you saw in my last video, the star and moon clips. Pandora was sold out of that online. So I was really excited to be able to get those in store, which was awesome. So I'm gonna first show you kind of opening the box and what I got. I haven't taken a look at it. I've just obviously removed some private information and but I haven't opened any of the boxes or anything yet, so I'm really excited to show you that. And then from there, I've gotten a lot of suggestions about designing a bracelet from scratch. So I thought it would be fun to incorporate the new items I got, or some of them, into a new bracelet design. A lot of people have asked for a black and white theme, or this type or that type. So I'm gonna kind of leave it up in the open. I have no idea what I'm gonna design. I'm just gonna roll with it and have fun. It'll be experimental, and I think you guys hopefully will enjoy it too. So grab a cup of tea and you'll have some fun. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, I'm drinking Serenity Now by DavidsTea. It is so delicious. I really recommend it. If you're wanting to kind of unwind, relax, take it easy, this is a wonderful tea. It has lavender, mint in it, a couple other things. I might have talked about this tea previously, I'm sure I have. So anyway, let's get started. Let's see what's inside. I'm really excited. Okay, bye guys. So here's the box. I just ripped off this little tag and oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see what's inside, how it looks. So I guess it says the logo inside and obviously my receipt. And then there, oh my goodness, we have all the cute little charms. I'm so excited. Look how cute that looks. I think part of the fun is, you know what you order, but you don't know what's going to be inside first. So let's see inside this guy. What might be inside? Okay. Oh, there's the first one. That's cute how it has the little Pandora logo tied. I've never seen that before. That's actually really adorable. Look how they have that on there. That's so sweet. So the first one I got is the light as a feather clip. Again, I'll do close-ups of these so you guys can see it. But oh my gosh, it's super cute. So I guess that's my first charm. That's so sweet. I'm gonna move the box over here because I'm gonna be designing with these, I'm sure. So it's so pretty. Or did I say light as a feather? It's definitely not light as a feather. It's just the feathered clip. That's cute how they put them all in separate boxes. I actually wasn't expecting that. I thought they'd put the 2 clips together. That's what I'm really excited for. So this, guys, is the Fairytale Bloom one. It is so stunning. Again, I'll do close-ups. So excited to get this charm. It's been on my wish list for a while. I think it'd be a beautiful centerpiece charm. It's so detailed, and obviously it's a fairy tale theme, so I was really excited. That is just Oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. So we'll put that one there. We'll move this guy out of the way. And we'll get to the next. Oh! So this one is my Petite. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to remember the names of everything. Look at me go, I'm so excited, I'm blinking. I'm gonna look at this. So this one is the Shimmering Silver Heart Petite. So that's what's in that one. I'm really excited to put that in my locket. Kind of reminds me of Moonstone. I love Moonstone, so that's really pretty. Well, maybe they'll actually do real stones again. I kind of missed the days when Pandora did that more. Okay, so I'll go to the next one. Nope, there's the other one. Oh, and look, it has the same little, that's interesting that the clips have it, but the other ones don't. Interesting. Again, I've never, oops, I hit the camera there. I've never ordered, you know, online before, so maybe that's just something that they do with the clips, or maybe, I don't know, it's just, it's so neat that they include this. I actually love that little thought of detail. Okay, last one, what is it gonna be? Aha! It is my Dazzling Daisy. So this is a cute little petite for my locket as well. So that's all that's inside it, just tissue, and those are the items I got. I do have one more item coming. Let me just move this out of the way for you guys. I'm getting another pink faceted Murano, so I'm really excited to design with that. You guys know I love my symmetry, so it'll be nice to have another pair of this one. And then the other one that I was able to get in store that I had ordered online. So I'm not sure if you can see that I got this one at the Shop and Shop, which is that Angel of Hope I mentioned. So really excited about that. So I need to find a good way to keep these safe, because I find in my jewelry box they shift over quite a bit. So maybe I'll keep them in one of the lower containers of here. So those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited. So let's get designing. Zoomed you guys in a little bit closer just so you can kind of see what I'm doing, because it's hard when it's from a farther distance. So I grabbed a little chain. So this is what my Christmas bracelet was originally on. So I've taken that off so we can kind of have a look at that and see it from there. Let me just tilt that a little. Hopefully you guys can see everything okay. And I basically just grabbed a ton of charms that I think might work. They're just ones that speak to me. And I'm really, this charm is, I don't know if you guys can see it. Try to focus it here. This is the charm that is inspiring me the most. So that's like the one that I'm kind of my inspiration for this bracelet, is this Fairytale Bloom charm. So that's the one that's kind of going to dictate the direction I'm going to go. So I kind of like those little open work hearts with it. I think that looks really pretty. Let's see what else we have here. Forget Me Not is pretty. I think that could work. Obviously my Moonstone, that one could work pretty nicely. I love this dangle. I do wear it. I think it's called the Garden Odyssey, I think, or oh, I can't quite remember. Oh, you guys can't even see it in the screen, but there's that one. I love that one. I actually think that would look really beautiful too, but part of me wonders if that's a good centerpiece, because I don't really have anything to quite balance it out. Love my clips actually for this. I think that would actually look quite pretty. And then I have my Prince and Princess, so those could look quite lovely with it as well. Oh, I have that cute little heart. That could look really pretty too. I'm actually really excited for, I don't know if you guys saw some previews on more of Pandora's blog, but she posted some stuff for the Christmas, the spring collection. And there's lots of rainbows and stuff, and I have some ideas to tie in the Prince's Heart with it, which you guys can't even see, it's right here. The Prince's Heart. So I'm really excited for that to come, like that collection to come out, because I have some really awesome ideas in hopes of designing with it. Okay, so let's see. I have the Love Tunnel. That could be one that, whoops, it's falling away. We'll do it that way. Heart of Freedom. I have a piano and a Bible. And then I have these two black and white Muranos. They really make me think, I think I was saying before, of Halloween, but they could potentially work. And then on this bracelet, I actually have the two Light of the Feathers. I actually think I'm going to take those off this, because I think they'd look really, really pretty on this concept. So we'll take these off and we'll go from there. So I'll be back. Also changed the position of the camera. I think this is slightly a better angle for you guys. So I've taken off my 2 light as a feather clips, and I think those will look actually really beautiful with this. I'm really excited to see how those ones will like come into play. I think the focus is playing on this a little bit, so hopefully it's doing a decent job to show you guys. So I still have my safety chain on here, the bow one. I don't think the bow one really ties in that well, but it's good to have one on just for now, so I'll leave it on as is. So now I'm just gonna play around, you guys. Okay, so we opened up our clips. So usually what I do is like, I just kind of put the clips where they're supposed to go. You know, we have so many charms here. I'm just gonna put them here. I know you guys won't see them, but just to help me out, I'm just gonna move them out of the way. Move those, okay. This is our centerpiece, that's our inspiration. We're gonna do the feathers here. I really like how that looks. That actually looks really beautiful. I love these. Maybe, well, that might be too close together. Yeah, I think that's too close. Let's spread those out over around there. We'll do my twins, which is my husband. And then me. I think that looks cute. I don't actually have any spacers right now that I pulled, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, let's see. I think I'll do my moonstone and my forget-me-not to go over there. I don't know if it's focusing. Hopefully you guys can see that. That looks kind of nice. I have the 2 hearts. These actually are pretty. They're nice open work, so that could go maybe there. Okay. I love this. I wish I knew where that... Can I leave that right on the end even though it doesn't 100% go? Because I think it'd look pretty. So I'm going to leave that right there at the end just because I think it might work. We'll see. And then, you know what'd be cute? I could add my castle, my Disneyland castle there on the end. That could look kind of cute too. Even though I have my Disney themed bracelet, but that could look awfully cute on the other side with the castle. So just for fun for this video, I'm gonna do, I'll probably put it back on my Disneyland bracelet, but I think it'd be fun to do that. So I'm gonna put these charms all on here. There we go, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so we have all the charms on here, and this is kind of how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see, and I'll quickly zoom in so you can get a good look at it. This is what the bracelet looks like more from a distance, and it looks actually really quite pretty. So I'm going to put the safety chain on over it. I actually really love how it looks. I guess it's not really a black and white, it's actually more like an all silver bracelet, which is kind of neat, something different. It's really pretty actually, so I'm going to try that on. Actually, you definitely need 2 spacers to go here just to fill in that space so they're not wiggling around as much. Don't really have any spacers on the top of my head that I would want to put on here right now, so that's something to keep in mind. And it's not like I don't have to have it right this second. It actually looks really pretty. I love the all silver look more than I thought. It's kind of neat how I thought to do a black and white and I end up going for more of an all silver, but it's actually really pretty. I actually really like it. Love these clips, and they were so affordable. I think they're like $20 with the 40% off, and they're beautiful. And this is just so stunning. I love it. So I'll do some close-ups with it closed for you guys as well. So that's the end of the Design With Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing, you know, an unboxing slash a design with me slash a new kind of concept. This is my actual first ever all silver bracelet I've ever done. I guess it does have a tiny bit of black to it, but technically all silver with oxidized silver, minus the little cubic zirconia black sparkle. I actually love it. There's no Muranos either, which is quite different for me. It's something I don't normally do. Name for this bracelet, I was kind of hemming and hawing. I actually don't have a name yet. It could be like Happily Ever After bracelet, or definitely something with a fairy tale vibe, kind of around my husband and I because of the cute little prince and princess. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. On that note too, you guys have been so awesome. I've been writing down a bunch of your ideas in my books, such great ideas. And what I thought was really cool was some of the suggestions you guys made were ones that I'd already written down in my book. So I love that we're on the same page and wavelength on what you want to see and what I want to film. So that makes me really happy, and it's so awesome to virtually have met so many of you, to chat with you, to talk to you. I really, really love it. And I just want to say thank you so much for supporting these videos and my love of Pandora. It's lovely to meet fellow collectors. And I definitely hear you guys on doing some videos that aren't just focused on Pandora. I will definitely film a tea video hopefully soon. I just thinking about how to go about it. I film most of these all on my own, so I want to have like a cool idea to it and try my best to go from there. Anyway, take care, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.